In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the eyedropper tool. When we're painting or coloring and we are setting down different markings and changing our color manually, it can sometimes be kind of a slow process, having to always go back to one of these sections and try to find the exact color that you are working with. A different way that you can change the color is by using the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool is quick keyed to eye, and that will load the eyedropper tool. And what it does is when you click on a specific pixel in the image, it'll load your brush with that color. So we can see once I click over there, I can switch over to the brush, paint with this color, and then I can use the eyedropper again, and then switch back and forth between those two colors real quickly. The eyedropper can also choose from any other color that we have in the scene. And sometimes we can even choose colors that are outside of the scene, choosing that little gray area. The eyedropper icon often jumps up when we're using different tools or settings. Particularly when I change to the color picker, I can choose specific colors, but if I navigate outside of the color picker area, you can notice that my cursor changes into the eyedropper, and I can choose any color that is around my area and any color even further beyond that. And we can see we can get a whole host of different colors and get very specific to what we're working with. And we can see that this will happen in a variety of other things. Like if I come to select and select a color range, this is a specified way of making selections, but when I'm navigating outside of that area, it'll allow me to use an eyedropper-like tool, and it'll create selections based off of the color that the eyedropper chooses. So that is the eyedropper tool.